Hello everyone, today I will show you how to text shake in DaVinci Resolve, and here's how it is done. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fusion page. Add a Text Plus node and keep it selected. Then head to the inspector panel and type the text you want in the text box. Customize the text to your liking. Next, go to the Shading tab, open the position settings, right-click on Offset X and Offset Y, and select Modify with Shake. Click on Modifiers to access the Shake preset settings. At this point, the effect may look more like floating text rather than shaking. This happens because the smoothness is too high. Lower it to 0.18 and reduce the maximum shake so the text doesn't move too much. Now the text should shake properly. To add some motion blur, go to the Settings tab and enable Motion Blur. Increase the quality and adjust the shutter angle. Finally, return to the modifiers and tweak the shake settings. And that is how you create shaking text in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.